Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another update for the hashtag Partners in Cream, which was set up by myself and the lovely DaLin here, Outward Processing, and I'll have her linked down below. There's also a big giant community playlist, so if you're interested in seeing how this update went, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so on Saturdays lately for my series I've normally been posting a palette bingo. I will post next week palettes bingo as normal, but the 10th is the Partners in Cream update, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm just going to start with my 1 of 5 that I'll be rolling out and show you my progress. So I'm working through all my nail polishes this year and we're nearly getting there, and then once we've worked through them all we're trying to finish them all. So the first one I was going on this month, it was the Spin the Bottle by Essie, absolutely beautiful, only took 2 coats. Then it was the Clothing Optional, which I managed to get as well, wear as well, still beautiful as well. Then we had the Angora Cardi from Essie, still only 2 coats for full opacity. And then the one I have on today is this one I got as a gift from my family member, Marks & Spencer's nail polish in dark magenta. This one is quite like thin, if that makes sense. So I found it really hard to like stay inside the lines, and it kind of got all over my skin. I really like the color. It's like a wine color, but I just found it really hard to get it inside the lines basically. So I'm going to use this again a couple of times just to see fully what I feel, so I will leave that one out. I'll show you what I'm rolling in place of that at the end. On to the progress. So the first product I'm working on is the Maybelline base, the Colour Tattoo Creamy Mattes in Creme de Nude, and it's still 49 grams. My weighing scales doesn't do the decimal points, so that's probably it. I used it 21 times this update. I probably have it on the screen, but I don't know until I look at the photos, but I feel like I've used so much of this, and I just use it to set down my eyelids, although lately I've been using a lot of colour, so I need to use a glitter glue. It doesn't like increase the longevity or anything, it just makes things nicer to work with, but we're getting there. I only started this product from brand new in January of this year, so I'm interested to see how many uses it will have taken to finish the whole thing since I hadn't used it before. The next one is my Huda Beauty 3D Highlighting Solstice palette in Pink Sands edition, and I was using obviously the cream shade in here. The last update you can see where I was is still, I'm curious to see, I feel like I've expanded the pan. I've used it 14 times this update, and like there is a big juicy panule here, and I feel like it's really nice on the skin. I have it underneath what I'm wearing, but it actually is a nice subtle highlight on its own. I actually really enjoy the formula of this. It's not like, it doesn't lift foundation or anything like that. It's like, it's beautiful. I don't mind that this has taken me a while because I am actually really enjoying using it. We have hit pan so far this year, and now we're kind of working to see how far we'll get by the end. Hopefully finish it. Well, I'll work on this till I finish it, even if it is next year. But yes, we've used it another 14 times this update, and it still weighs 146 grams. This next product is my Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and I was working on the dark red cream shade, the dark red blush shade, and I have used this 12 times now in the last month. As you can see, it still looks exactly the same, and that's fine. It is actually such a beautiful color. Like, it is pigmented, as you can see, but like, I just don't wear it as pigmented as that. I barely dab into it. It's really, really pretty. It's really, really easy to blend. I am enjoying it. This will take a monstrosity amount of time. That's fine by me. For the weights of it though, it went down a gram, so it's now 143 and it was 144, so yay. Item number 4, that's progress wise, was my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Set to Stone. I rolled this in the last time and I used it 7 times this update, which I'm really, really happy about. I don't know if it looks any different, but I am not rushing on this bad boy because it is beautiful. I have it on top of my eye stain. You kind of get a pink glitter in there, not like glitter in the sense of the word, but there's like a bluey sparkle. It's absolutely stunning. So we're trying to hit pan on this. We're nearly finishing hitting pan on all the Super Shocks, but we're still working away on that one. Now for rolling time. Rolling in time. I'm going to roll in this because I'm not sure how I feel about this. This is a Catrice nail polish in 55 Get the Blues, and it's like a duochrome greeny blue shade. Sorry, Pork is just home from work. This next one is from Rimmel, and this is the Salon Pro in 125 Oh Mr. Darcy. Oh Mr. Darcy. I'm rolling in This one in a flash sale 160, an orangey one, which I haven't worn yet. And then this kind of a reddy kind of a colour. Curious about this one. This one is in Seize the Minute 190. So we're rolling those in. Hopefully we'll have them all worn by the next month and then we can start finishing them off. Please God, that is soon. I know it was probably a short and sweet update, but cream products are so hard. I'm so happy for everyone that's doing this. It's amazing. As I said the last time, we are doing this project again next year, starting from the 10th of January with a quarterly refresh because we know how crazy this year was. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you the next time. Take care. Bye.